Ever wondered how to take your programming game to the next level? The secret might lie in mastering two key tools, Git and GitHub. So, what's Git? In simple terms, Git is a version control system, a time machine for your code. It allows the tracking of changes, collaboration with others, and the ability to revert to previous versions when needed. Now onto GitHub. GitHub is a platform designed around Git, almost like a social network for coders. It's a place to host your Git repositories and collaborate with developers globally. The first step to using Git and GitHub is installing Git on your computer. It's free and compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once Git is installed, create a new repository for your project on GitHub. With your repository set up, start adding files, making changes, and committing those changes to Git. Remember, clear and descriptive commit messages are key to understanding what changes were made. Why are Git and GitHub so important for programmers? They make collaboration easy. Multiple developers can work on the same project simultaneously without interference. GitHub also provides powerful tools for code review and project management. Git and GitHub also help keep your code organized and safe. With version control, changes can be easily rolled back if something goes awry, or bugs can be tracked down by examining previous versions of your code. A few tips for using GitHub effectively include regularly pulling changes from the main repository to stay current with the latest developments. Also, make use of GitHub's issue tracker to report bugs, suggest features, and keep track of tasks. Don't forget to explore GitHub's other features such as wikis, project boards, and GitHub Actions, which can automate your workflow and save you time. So, to summarize, Git is a version control system, a time machine for your code. GitHub is a platform for hosting your Git repositories, a social network for coders. These tools make collaboration easy, keep your code organized, and provide powerful tools for project management. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to dive in and start experimenting with these powerful tools. Happy coding, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more programming tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!